Hi Paul, thanks very much for the question with regards to your Bosch condenser tumble dryer. Now I'm doing this video response for you so I can point you in the right direction correctly. And all the relevant information that I'm giving you in this video, I will put in the description on this video, so there's a link to go through to a specific page on your machine. This will have the videos that I'm talking about that you need to follow with regards testing the machine, and I've also put exploded diagrams of your machine on there with regards so you can identify any of the components. They have reference numbers on them, and you will then be able to use that reference number to match up to the genuine part number if required. Now let me just quickly go through the fault. You say you've got a Bosch WTE84105GB31. Thank you for giving me that last bit because it's very important with identifying the correct parts. You're telling me the machine switches off after 1 minute, Paul, and the machine is 12 years old. These Bosch condenser tumble dryers are very good machines and they're well worth repairing. Although Bosch is very bad at supplying any technical information to either you or myself, as they keep all the information just for their own engineers, which makes it very difficult with regards you repairing the machine because I can't give you the correct information. Now, you've told me in the video that you have cleaned the moisture sensor. This is normally inside the drum at the front. You don't just want to clean these, you want to get a green scourer from the kitchen and just lightly go over them, because the buildup of film from printed shirts and stuff like that can line these two bars and cause false readings. These bars are designed specifically to take an ohms reading of the moisture level inside the drum when you have wet clothing. And if it doesn't detect moisture, then it may turn itself off as your machine is doing early. Don't just check the two wires going on the back, actually test it at the circuit board. So follow the two wires up to the circuit board, connect your multimeter there, and then test the machine, as it's very important to understand that the circuit is all working correctly. Next, another thing I would do, well, the most important thing to do before you start is clean the machine. Make sure that you take the condensing box out of the machine and give it a thorough clean. Also, clean inside the ducting here, as down the front here at the bottom you will see your NTC sensor when looking in the drum, and make sure you've got no fluff around it and all the passageways through the whole machine are working correctly. There's another little technique that I would do, and when turning the machine on, most houses today have a smart meter which will show you the wattage being drawn on any appliance in the house. If you turn everything off and turn the dryer on only, and you turn it to a timed cycle, I believe your model of machine has not only got preset programs, it has a timed system. And this is very important to put it onto the timed system because it will override some things like moisture sensors and other bits and pieces. Turn it on, press start, and have a look if your heating element is coming on. Most heating elements on the Bosch machines will be somewhere in the region of 2 kilowatts. And if the machine initially pulls 2 kilowatts, then you know the heating system is good. But if it goes off and turns the machine off straight away, then you may have a sensor problem. You may also have a problem with the pump unit, because the pump unit that transfers the water from the pump unit at the back of the machine that pumps the water up to the collection tray, it has a sensor on there. And if this detects that the water level is incorrect in that chamber, it may be turning the machine off because of a safety feature that's built into the machine with regards to the pump unit. So all this information I've got for you is on this web page, and I've put videos on how to test the pump, how to clean the pump and clear the either the micro switch or the sensor. And I've also put a video on there on how to clean the condensing box and also the moisture sensor with regards cleaning it correctly. I hope all this information helps you. At the top of the page, by the way, there is a link to any spare parts that you require, and there are exploded diagrams of your machine on there as well to assist you in repairing it. Good luck with your repair. If you need any further assistance at all, feel free to use the contact us page at the website, and make sure, if you really want a lot of help, It's sometimes useful for you to record anything on your mobile phone, upload it to your personal YouTube account, send me the link to that video so I can have a look at the machine in real time rather than going backwards and forwards with emails. And do us a favor as well, do give this video a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel, as that really does help us, and this helps me improve the content on the website with regards in helping you or other people. Thanks very much indeed for contacting us. Have a great day. Good luck with your repair.